Okay, once you get started on setting up your Google site, one page is probably not going to be enough, especially if you have multiple things that you want to cover over a long period of time. One page is probably good for an assignment with a few images, a few videos, sort of like the PD site where, there's just a few things here and there, and that's it. This is probably not enough to publish all the content from your class. So what you're going to need is additional pages. So if you click on pages, you can add more on by clicking on this little plus button. So you can add on a new page. You can see here we have day 2 and day 3. Now you can't do anything to that because so far it's been hidden from you. For example, myself and Allison are working on day 2 or we're working on day 3 and we're not ready for you to see it. We keep it hidden from you. So over here, when you're ready for people to see it, you can go ahead and put show in navigation. And now you see this little button here. You can click on day 2 and now navigate over to day 2 site. So I'll show you what day 3 looks like. So if I come over here to day 3, no one has access to it, but Allison and I can work on day 3. So we can still make changes to day 3, fix things on day 3, and when we're ready, we can go ahead and make that visible up here at the very top, and then you'll be able to see it. So in addition to that, you can create what's called a subpage. So let's just say this said semester 1, and then I wanted a lot of units underneath semester 1. So if you click on the 3 buttons here and you click add a subpage, and I'm just going to go unit 1, and I'm going to click done, it's going to add on a subpage underneath day 2. So now if you look here, if I just imagine if it said semester 1, they can click on unit 1, and I could have unit 2, unit 3, unit 4, unit 5 all the way down, all organized up here. And if I don't want them to see unit 1, so let's just say I add on another subpage here, and I'm going to type in unit 2. So I can add on like subpages to subpages. So like you can have little subpages there. Or what you could also do is you can drag them and you can hide things. So let's just say I'm done with unit 1 and I'm going to hide this. So when my students get here, all they're going to see is unit 2. You could always open it back up and now they can see both of them. And this is the part that takes a while because you really have to start thinking about how are you going to build your site. What is it going to look like over time? And so I would recommend starting off with 1 or 2 pages. Think about them in terms of assignments or units and just keep building from there.